Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. Yes, another tutorial, another fancy tutorial. Yes, Ramadan is over and we're celebrating Eid, and whether we take 10 days to celebrate or celebrate in one day, yes, we have our next 6 days of fasting, but we still need to feel good, celebrate, because we have experienced Ramadan. And Allah SWT has given us the reward in the form of Eid. So we celebrate Eid. Yes. Okay. For you that are new here, welcome. If you're just stopping by and just, came upon my video, I thank you for staying. Stay and watch. I hope you like what you see and you'll stick around till the end because there's lots to come in this video. It's hoping it's not a very long one. The last few that I've made have become really long, but I'm hoping that it's not so long. But please, I hope I'm of interest, that whatever I'm showing, my tutorial is of interest to you, that you'll stick around. Please do. And for you that have been here with me from inception, I thank you for your love and your support and for staying with me. Please do stay with me and let's build this platform. It's a beautiful journey so far. And we've got lots to go, so stick with me, okay? And if you haven't subscribed yet, there's no charge, no fees. You just hit the subscribe button, press the all, so you'll get a notification of whenever I upload. Right now I'm uploading every day. Now Ramadan has come to an end. COVID is starting, they're starting to lift some of the restrictions, so things may change. But for now, I'm still uploading every morning. When that changes, I will let you know. I am excited, I love this look. I can't wait to show you how I got this look. It's really beautiful. I'm wearing a beautiful Moroccan 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗀𝗃, and it's really fancy, very fancy. It's a bit low, so I'm wearing my ninja, which has got full coverage, and I'm wearing this really beautiful cap. It's so gorgeous. It's so much blings. So in order to tone the blings down, which I really didn't mind because it's celebrating time, I put a really nice, it's not plain at all. It's got some really beautiful lace on here with the blings as well. So it all adds up really nicely and it's beautiful. So stay with me as I take you on this journey of how I got this look and a few more looks to come. So stay with me. And now I'm going to attempt to show you how I got that look. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's quite a lot of bling, but it's, it's the festival of Eid, and we're celebrating, whether, you're going to a family's home or pretending you're going to the masjid and getting all dressed out because it's Eid. We must enjoy this moment. And that's why I'm sharing these, tutorials with you. It's beautiful. Getting dressed out, absolutely gorgeous. The feeling is good. Yes, there's a feeling of sadness that Ramadan is over, but with everything, there's a start and there's a finish. And now, whether we celebrate Eid Day, 5 days after Eid Day, we're still celebrating because we deserve to celebrate Eid. Now, I've got the 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗀𝗃. It's another Moroccan 𝗕𝗂𝗃. It's beautiful. It's got a lot of blings. Really, it's not your usual everyday. It's either Eid, dressing up, going to a wedding or going to a function. It's absolutely gorgeous. And what I've done, because if you notice, the neck is a bit low, and most of them, they come like that. They have a really high back, but they have a low neck. So I've got my ninja on, and it's the large one that has a lot of coverage. So everything is covered. And today, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm wearing this really beautiful cap. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got a lot of rhinestones, a lot of blings, but it goes well with the whole outfit. And the scarf that I'm going to use is chiffon, and it's got a bit of lace with it. So it really blends nicely. It's it's a gorgeous scarf. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got some nice blings in it too. So today is bling day. And all I'm going to do is just simple. I'm just going to show you how we're going to wrap this. And because I've got the bling here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the plain side on the front. And so the lace will be in the bottom. See that? It's absolutely gorgeous. And it's a simple wrap because I just want to show you, if you want to dress up, you put on a cap, what you can do. You have a hijab, and all we're going to do is like just put it right where the blings end, right there. I've got a short piece here, and I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to give it a pin here with a safety pin. And tie it as tight as you're comfortable with, right? And now all we're going to do is really a simple wrap. I pulled that over there so that it folds nicely, and we're just going to wrap this around. Because you've got a whole lot of blings, you really don't need a lot more, and all we're going to do is keep some folds with it and just pin it right here. Simple, isn't it? It's really simple. And now what we're going to do is just fit your folds here. My dear viewers, this is absolutely beautiful. See that? See this scarf, how beautiful it is? And it falls so nicely. Now, we haven't done anything. We don't need to do anything. That's it. I'm going to show you what the back looks like. And fold it nicely so that the lace can, see that? It's absolutely beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. And like I said, you fold it nicely, so when you're folding it, your folds fold nicely, and your lace is also showing. I like that. Okay, so there you go. This is the back. That's the front. We've done nothing more than put one safety pin, wrap it, and tuck it here. That's it. And you've got this really beautiful flow. The hijab is absolutely gorgeous. The color, because it's a lot of blings, this tones it down, if you know what I mean. Like, we have a whole lot of bling there, but by doing that, it's see-through, so your blings are actually showing, but you really don't need all that bling to show because it is there, and you're seeing it and you're feeling it, and you just cover it up a little bit so it's not as, and then you've got all that there. It's absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Do you like that? I hope you do. It's simple. Remember, like I said, if you're wearing a cap and you want to cover it with the hijab, you put the hijab from there so your blings can show on your cap. Or if you want to cover your blings, you can bring the hijab here as well, so that just a tiny bit of the bling will show. But for this, I'm showing all of that because it matches so well with the jubbah. And there you go. First look. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you like that. I really do, because I do. I love it, and I love bringing it to you and showing it to you, and I'm hoping that you will try them. When I show you my tutorial, I hope that you try them. Okay, so let's get into the next look. And now for the second look, it's another fancy hijab. I've got my ninja. I've taken off that cap, and now I'm going to show you. It's called an instant scarf, and it's beautiful. It's so easy. Just bear with me. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And all it is it's got a whole lot of blings, and it's so easy. It comes with tie, and all we do is tie it in the back. And that's it there. See there? It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. And it comes with all the rhinestones all done up, nicely done. And all you need to do is just basically we'll give it a safety pin there. And you can tie it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. And this is, there's so many options with this. It's really long, so we're gonna keep the short side here. We're gonna take the long one across, and we're not gonna cover that. We're just gonna put it at the back of that and then bring it around here. And then I'll just put a pin there. And now you have got this most beautiful look, and you just, if you want full coverage, you can have full coverage. If you want to bring it up a bit, we can bring it up a bit. If you don't want that showing, all you need to do is put that in there, and that goes in the front of your blouse, your dress, whatever you're wearing. You've got that. It's really pretty, so pretty. We put that there. We've got one flowing in here. Just make sure the back is covered, everything is covered. I'll just show you what the back looks like. That's my That's the shorter one, so we want to make sure that that's inside. And then we've got, now that's covered nicely. See? And you've got this flowing here. Now if we want another, we don't want this flowing here. Simple as that. You can bring it around a second time. Just give it, instead of tucking it here, we're just going to take that pin and tuck it over here. And I will use a longer one only because I want to make sure that it stays in place, because it's got the weight of the whole scarf. And now you've got a different look altogether. And here we are. How absolutely beautiful is that? It's absolutely gorgeous. It looks royal, don't you think? With the 𝗓𝗃, with the blings, and then with that. Now with the black here and it's being plain, it tones it completely down. So it doesn't look as bling, you know, which is beautiful, which is perfect. So you've got your bling here, you've got your bling here, and you've got the plain scarf right here. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? Do you think that's nice? Well, I hope you're liking this, because I'm liking it, showing it to you. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. These are called instant scarves, and sometimes they're not available, sometimes they are. As soon as they come on the market, they sell out really quickly. They're a bit expensive. They've got a bit of value to it, but it's so easy. You just put it on, wrap it, and you're ready to go. Just wrap it as you would like. And this one really, it really brings out the 𝗓𝗃. Now that it's covered some of the blings, and you've got the black here and bling, it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, I hope you like that, because I enjoyed bringing it to you. It's pretty, isn't it? Well, my dear viewers, I hope you like that, because you know what? I'm going to stop here for this video because they've been really getting longer and longer and longer. And I need to stop because somebody's going to say you're talking too much. You need to shut, you know. But I like to interact with you, and I hope you're enjoying my interaction with you. So please do leave me comments. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you feel about, you know, the tutorials that I'm doing. You know, there's my contact information is right at the very bottom. So do leave me a message. Let me know how you're feeling, what you're feeling. What, you know, if you have a suggestion for me, I'm open to it. And for those sisters that, you know, are looking for any kind of support, I am here for you. Please reach out to me. I'm a hijabi with a lot of, I'm very proud of wearing my hijab. And I want to help you if you are, you know, even thinking about it, or you're nervous about it, or you're doing it and you're still nervous about it. Please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. And that was one of the reasons why I started this platform, because I enjoy doing what I do, and I want to share that enthusiasm and share that comfort for you, my viewers. And if you have got, you know, things that you can share with me that I can bring about to our platform, please reach out to me, and we'll, you know, we're here to help each other and help the sisters out there to expand on hijab and Islamic wear. So let's do this together. I thank you. I thank you for your support. I thank you for your love. I thank you for being here with me. It's a beautiful journey. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept each one of you, every ounce of your whatever you have within here. May He accept it. May He make your lives better. May increase our iman, all of our iman. Make us all stronger. When it comes to our deen, make us better and better. Inshallah, inshallah. And you know, if we look to Him, He will look to us. So we have to continue doing that. Make sure we stay close to our Creator. Inshallah. So that when we leave this world, if we have Him close to us, it will be smooth for us. The sailing will be very smooth. Inshallah. I thank you for your love and support. Please do stay with me. Keep watching. And I am uploading every day for now. When things change, I will change that. But for now, I'm uploading every day. So, you know, on the lookout for tomorrow morning's video. Enjoy today, every moment. Always try to be happy. Make every moment count. And this is your hijabi that just likes to talk to you and wants to share everything with you. So until we meet again, I'm just saying, please stay happy, stay safe. This is Naz. Asalam-o-Alaikum.